Our immigration courts are facing unprecedented challenges, and all of them stem from the fundamental flaw of having a court system that is structured within the Justice Department.
The U.S. Immigration Court is unlike any court system you're probably familiar with. First, this is a court system where the chief prosecutor, the attorney general, selects the judges, evaluates the judges, and provides a direction to the judges.
We call it immigration court, but it's not really a court. The judges aren't actual judges. They're employees of the Department of Justice.
The immigration court system is housed in an agency called the Department of Justice. And within the Department of Justice is another agency called the Executive Office for Immigration Review, which stands for EOIR. Now, our immigration regulations say that immigration judges should exercise judicial independence. But what we've seen over the years is the ability for the Attorney General to unilaterally take case decisions he or she does not like and reissue a new one.
Through his authority to certify decisions, the Attorney General of the United States, one person, can single-handedly pull the removal case of any person from any court, anywhere nationwide, and issue a sweeping decision, making that person an example.
It's a system that, in my view, has lost really any semblance of independence. And of course, part of the proof of that is you're now running a backlog of well over 1.1 million cases caused by a process that I call aimless docket reshuffling.
And this is not specific to any one administration. It is just the problem that is fundamental to the court. Essentially, with every administration that has come in, what they have done is they've taken the court's docket, which means the cases that are pending before the court, and they have decided to rearrange them in order to send a political message consistent with their law enforcement policies.
The main problem I have in immigration court is making sure that my clients' voices are heard. These judges are facing unprecedented backlogs, and they simply don't have the time to listen to our clients who are facing exile from this country.
The true solution is to make sure that the immigration court is no longer run by a prosecutor. So you need to remove the immigration court from the Justice Department and give it true independence like any other court we have in our judiciary.
It isn't rocket science. No, it's not necessarily easy, but it's certainly no more difficult than what's being done now. The difference is an Article 1 independent immigration court would solve the problem. What's being done now spends money making things worse.
We already have an appellate body. We already have a core of immigration judges. So the foundations of the system are already in place. What it needs is independence.